Hello and welcome to Tech. I'm Ahmad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the most important area in Power Apps is the collections. So this is really important to know in detail about it. So we'll walk through in this video. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Basically, as I discussed in my previous video, it's a variable, the collect and clear collect function. So it is good to use clear collect before, because if you want to clear all the records and collect again, then you can use this function. There are two types of collections. One is single column and another is the multiple column table. So basically for a single column, you can use this one, collect employee name. You are defining this, the collection name, and the variable, the input which you are giving it to add those values. And if you have multiple column tables, then you can use this one, collect, and then the collection name, employee table. And inside to that, I need to pass two values like first name and last name, which I am capturing it through these two input from text box 1 and text box 2. So you can define these two ways. So let's go into practical how it actually works. I'm into my Canvas app, a blank Canvas app. So I have added a screen and I have added one text box from here and one label box from here and two buttons from here and name it to as add and for this one as clear. Now in add, for this on select, this is selected to on select property of this button, and I'm going to add this one, collect employee name text box 1. As you can see, this is text box input 3, right? So what we can do, I'm just going to type here collect, sorry, I need to click on the button on select and then collect, and the collection name, employee name, employee full name. I'm just want to type it as comma the item I want to pass here is, I think this is text box input 3. So editing this, copy the value here and paste it here and dot text, close the bracket. So now the formula is successfully created. Now if I run this application, and before to that, I'm just giving this as a educational purpose itself, but in your real production you have to define the name convention clearly as per the standard procedures. We'll talk about that in future videos. So now let's run this application, and here I'm going to add my name and add and close this one. And if you want to see the collections, go to file and here is the collections. Now you can see the employee name is there and a value is single column. The column name is valued. It is taken by the Power Apps itself. If you are defining a single value table, then the value of the column, the name of the column itself is the value, and the value is Muhammad Adnan. So now going back again, I'm going to add one more thing. It's, for example, add and close this one. Now if I go back to file and collections, I can see two values here. So go back here. Now the thing is, if you want to pass multiple values, then this is text box input 1, and let's add one more thing. It has to be text box, right? So text box input 1. So this is basically, I want to remove this. This is input 4. Now again clicking on this one, I'm going to add one more button, so giving it a name, employee table. So on select property, I'm going to add the collect function and then give a name employee table, comma, and I need to define multiple column names and then its value, right? So for that, I need to use the colon, and here I need to define the first name as a variable and colon and text input. I think it's text input 3 txt. I'm not sure, so click on this one and copy this one. Text input, again click on the button, paste it here, text input 3 dot text. So comma, I need to add one more, that is the last name, comma, and let's have a look at this one. It is text input 4, copy this, text input 4 dot text. So close the curly brackets and close the bracket. So now this is defined. Okay, so let's run this application, and here I'm going to add first name as John and here as Sam, and click on employee table and close this one. Now go to this file and look at the collections. So there's one more table is there, employee tables. So look at this one, a table with employee tables, and the first column is the first name and second column is the last name as we have defined, and here it's John and Sam. Perfect. Now if you want to clear the collections, right, in order to get and reset the collections, then you can use the clear collect. So what I do is, if I run this application again and I'm going to add one more name, mark Adam employee tables and close, and if you look at this one collections, I can see two records here. Now what happened if I use clear collect? I didn't change anything, I just add clear collect. Okay, so run this application. I'm going to add name 1, name 2 and employee table. So cancel this one and go to this file and collections. If I look at employee tables, the two records has been erased, is cleared, and now a new record has been added here. So this is how you can be able to use these two functions. Now you might have wondered why you need to clear and collect this information, right? So this will be helpful if you want to collect, add a new record and then add multiple values to that. For an example, if you're going to add an arrival invoice, then you need to click on add new. For one invoice, you will have multiple items. So you will add multiple items in a collections, and then you will save this application to save all the data into one. So this is how it will be helpful for you. So this is all about the use of the variable, the third variable, that is collections in Power Apps. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.